Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all over the world, never, ever, ever tamper with fire alarms. Never, ever do that, regardless of what country you are in. The rules still apply. Remember, these are life safety devices. These were made to save people's lives because they alert people that the building is on fire and they must evacuate now. These are not toys. Any place that allows fire alarm tampering is a bunch of morons. Because messing with these things will put people's lives in very real danger. If any place allows this, then they better pass a law to ban this. Because you don't want people tampering with fire alarms or any other life safety device. Thankfully, it is against the law to do this. Because you don't want people tampering with things that are supposed to protect you in an emergency, like fire alarms. Don't tamper with fire alarms. Don't pull them for fun. Don't unscrew them off the wall. Don't paint them. Don't smash them. You don't take the strobe off of them. You don't take the horn off of them. You don't disable the horn or the strobe on them. You don't tamper with the control panel or any other things that control the fire alarm system. You don't tamper with any of the detectors. You don't tamper with the flow switches. You just do not ever tamper with fire alarm systems in any public building. Again, if you want to mess with your own alarm, that is totally fine, but if you're messing with an alarm in a public building, that is not okay at all, so don't do it. Anyone that tampers with alarms should go to jail. And any place in the world that allows fire alarm tampering needs to pass a law to ban it, because this type of tampering puts people's lives in danger. So thankfully, there is laws in place to stop this, because this is not okay at all. People should not be tampering with alarms. Bye.